This is a 10-minute guided meditation using Prana Stones. Go ahead and make yourself comfortable. Pick up the stones and just let them sit in your open hands for a moment as you gently close your eyes. Notice the weight in your hands. Is one stone heavier than the other? What about the temperature? They probably feel cool against your skin. Focus on this stone in your right hand. Let your fingers roll over the natural edges and smooth surface until you find a comfortable position. Allow your fingers to gently close so they sink into the stone, almost like it's part of you. There's comfort in feeling its weight and support, like the worn handle of an old tool. Let it sit there. Now, focus on the stone in your left hand. Roll the stone around and find a comfortable position so it feels right in your hand as you softly close your fingers. And sit quietly for a moment. Your attention will probably come and go during the meditation, and that's okay. If you find yourself distracted and thinking about something else, no big deal. Just be aware that you're wandering off. As you relax, you may begin to remember things that you need to do, and you may find yourself more distracted. It's okay. You're not doing anything wrong. The meditation isn't causing these thoughts. They've probably been bothering you all day. You've just been too busy to notice. These thoughts are normal. Don't try to stop them. Just let them be and turn your attention back to the stones. As you meditate, the stones will warm up to the same temperature of your skin. You may not even be aware of the texture anymore, just of a blank weight in your hands. This is good. You are reaching a calmer state, and you're beginning to let go. Just keep your focus on the weight in your hands. Let the heaviness settle into your skin. Try to feel your pulse beating gently against the weight. It's a subtle rhythm, a very light sensation. If it's hard for you to feel your pulse, that's okay. Just allow yourself to rest quietly. You can let your mind drift off for a moment and listen to the sounds around you. Notice your breathing. Has it slowed down? Feel the gentle movement of your abdomen as it expands and contracts. Concentrate on the weight of the stones as they gently rock back and forth with each breath, like riding a subtle wave. Go ahead and count the breath silently. As you inhale 1, and exhale 2. When you reach 10, you can start over, and we'll do this a few times. If your mind starts to get distracted, that's okay. Don't fight the thoughts. Just let them be, and turn your attention back to the stones. You can roll them around in your hands for a moment if that helps you focus on something as you sit there quietly. Hopefully you're feeling more relaxed and centered now. Go ahead and begin your mantra. Just think the sound silently to yourself with no tongue or lip movement. You'll simply repeat the sound in your mind. It's just a sound. You don't have to follow a specific rhythm, and over time, you may find that the sound gets more quiet in your mind. If you drift off and forget to make the sound, that's okay. There's no right or wrong way. Just repeat the sound. That's all you have to do. As you relax, your fingers will naturally open up, and that's okay. Eventually, you will lose the sensation of the stones in your hands, almost as if they just melted away. Your mind is calm, and you can just let them go. Take a moment to scan your body. Notice which muscles have relaxed and which areas are still holding on to stress. You don't have to do anything. Just be aware of the breath, how you feel, and any changes that are taking place. You're doing a good job, and you can continue the meditation as long as you like. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and sit quietly for a moment before you get up.